Today, we're going to be making some ninja stars that can transform into a ring or a secret ninja star. So all you're going to need is square pieces of paper. Now you can use origami paper, Post-it notes, or you can even use a regular rectangle piece of paper and cut out some squares from there. But you're going to need 8 of these. And they also need to be the same size as well. And you can mix and match all the different colors you want if you have colored paper. So now with our square piece of paper, we are going to fold it half lengthwise and widthwise. So we're going to fold it this way, and we're also going to fold it the other way as well. So now we have a square right here, a cross right here. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to fold in the corner, and we're going to line up here with the creases we made. So we're going to line up this section of this mini square into the middle. We're going to fold it in diagonal. Same thing right here. So now we have this. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half. We're going to leave this inside of the fold. So now we're going to line up. We're going to open this part up while keeping our hand flat right here. And we're going to open this side. And we're going to line up this edge to the edge right here. Like so. Now, what we're going to do, you see there's a line that crosses through here. We're going to fold it along here. So now we have one point of the ninja star. We're going to have one end that's singular, and we're going to have an end that's double. Now you're going to repeat this 8 times, or 7 times, I should say. And now we have 8 of them. And I changed the colors because I wanted to have different colors for this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take two pieces of this, and I'm going to have the singular point be tucked inside of between the double point of the star. So we're going to fold it in like this. Then we're going to tuck this little leftover flap inside of the two-fold. Now we're actually going to repeat that multiple times. So I'm going to take another one, and I'm going to alternate the colors just to make it cool. I'm going to tuck it in, and I'm going to tuck the mini flaps into the two-fold. Then you're going to repeat this all the way. So now we are at the last step. So I'm going to tuck this in. You're going to fold your last two-fold in. Then you want to bring this point inside of here. And you got to be very careful because you don't want to loosen up anything. So you're going to slowly and carefully put it tucked in there. Now, it's okay if some of the tucks fall off. You could just put them back in. Now you want to tuck this inside, but not covering the pink. So I'm just going to tuck it in there so it's not covering the pink, like so. And here we have it. So it's a little bit rough at first, but once you start moving it, it'll slowly come more naturally. And some of the things may pop out, so don't worry, just pop it back in. So you just got to warm it up a little bit. And here we go. We have our ninja star.